Hey guys, we are still on Siquijor Island and today we're going to head up into the mountains and explore. Hopefully going to go and see a butterfly sanctuary and find somewhere fun to swim.
Fried banana. Yum. Today
we've found a route on Maps.me that goes up through the mountains, and so we're going to go and drive up and see what we can find up there. It does look a little bit stormy and we've already passed one rain shower, so we'll just have to see how far we get.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.
I'm Dante Ponce Humapit. So originally from Siquijor, come to the butterfly garden. So we are making this project like saving and conserving butterfly, because we breed butterflies and then 40% we release back to the nature. So we are starting 5 different species right now, but during the high season for breeding we can make 10 to 15, and all those butterflies are native in the island. We're very thankful, together with the support of the tourists, like people from Europe, that they love so much butterflies, so they're the one who will make and support this little project. Through with this radamanthus, sir, this yellow and black one. And for the white one, sir, we called Idealocono homaluni. And we have the biggest mouth here, sir. You can even take these pictures here.
The butterfly on me.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you, 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 there with you. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.
We got a bit hungry, so we stopped in this tiny little store on the side of the road and got an ice cream roll. It was meant to be a mango ice cream roll, but it was definitely chocolate, not mango. It was quite a lot of ice cream. It was good. And then there was like some little kids running around, but they were super shy and they wouldn't really come very close, so Sarah bought them some lollies and then managed to entice them to come over close enough to give them some lollies, and then they ran away as fast as they could in a big cloud of laughter. Now we're just heading down to a cold spring. Not sure what it is, we just saw a sign on the side of the road. The path just winds its way down through some little farm houses and little fields of corn and coconuts. Found our own private swimming spot. Actually, it's not as cold now. It's just getting in. It's definitely colder than the waterfalls we've been to further downstream.
what was the first step?
Go into it. Go.
My chair out from under the table and there was a leg hanging off the chair. There's a cat asleep under there.
We're having an early dinner and we stopped at this place in Lazi on the main street, and we've got a range of food. Often in Philippines you'll go to a place and they'll have a whole bunch of dishes already cooked, and then it's usually about 30 pesos for a small portion of each one, and then so you might get one or two portions, and then it always comes with rice. This is the Lazi produce market. You can get any type of vegetable that you can find in the Philippines and quite a few different types of fish as well.
Babayloano, abad.
This place just over here had 18 different types of rice, and next to it you buy dried fish. So that's all for our time in Siquijor. We're going to be sad to go. This has been one of our favourite islands so far, if not my favourite island on the whole of Philippines. We're going to be heading to Bohol next, so stick around for our next Philippines adventure, and otherwise hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.
But soon I'll be there with you.